What up, guys? Hello, everyone. I'm Anazid Great and welcome to my YouTube channel. So sorry, I've been been sick lately. I've been having typhoid and malaria. I've been on drugs. So I just let me just do this to clarify the fact that why I've not been posting and all. I'm so sorry for. I'm so tired. I've barely not recovered. You can see I just started sweating. I just finished taking my dosage today, so it has been so hectic for me. I've been going through countless things lately, financially and some other stuff that I know will be out for me very soon. I just decided to just do this video to let my fans out there and my viewers and subscribers to know how important you guys are to me. It's not that I've gone off from you people, I'm still on creating content, just I've been strong, I'm trying to recover. So yeah, I'll be from next week or probably this week, I'll be posting more of my content out there. And yeah, so you guys will be seeing more of this, please, because I'm kind of fighting for a space to shoot my video. But since you can hear me and you can, and it's kind of still, you can still get what I'm trying to say. See, I think I'll be doing my video here for now. And yeah, it's my bedroom I'm using, Sha. All right now, thank you. And yeah, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, thank you for keeping glued to me, and catch you up on the next video. Love you all. Bye.